Hello viewers, myself MJD Tamim. In this video, I'll show you how to create this type of clip-in mask in Adobe Photoshop. So let's begin the video. To make this type of clip-in mask, we have to click on the create new. Then we have to take a artboard by 500 and 500. Then we have to take an image, place embedded and select image. Then you have to simply create a ellipse. Ellipse size will be 400 by 400 because this is the social media profile size. Then you have to placement the ellipse on the photo. I place there. Then go to layer and drag down the ellipse under the photo. Then select the photo and right click on it. Create clip-in mask. We don't need any background, so I delete the background. Then I select the layer, right click on it and convert to smart object. Then I go to FX control, go to stroke and I set a stroke to make attractive the clip-in mask. So here is the result. You can easily create this type of amazing clip-in mask by following this process. Thank you for watching the video.